Today, yes, we're making a wedding bouquet, but I want to share with you Lobiloo. It's a cutting-edge software made by florists for florists. When you work with Lobiloo, it takes away the guesswork. It helps you make informed decisions, and it helps you communicate to your coworkers. So when the day comes and it's time to create that wedding bouquet, you can print the recipe, hand it to someone and say, will you pull this and get it ready? And they can go to your cooler, gather the items that are planned, making sure they have the correct count. So again, you're ensured you always have everything you need right at hand. It reduces the waste because you can plan ahead and then know that you're going to be using 3 spray mums. Have them out. 5 Veronica. Have them out and be ready to design. Everything's laid out, everything's ready. You can begin your bouquet knowing that you don't have to think. Your life is easier because now you can just focus on your floral art. You don't have to consider how many stems, did I charge correctly, did I remember to buy everything? It's all right in front of you because you recipe'd it out, you planned, you organized, which allows you to make beautiful floral art. It's such a wonderful thing to find a tool that allows you to increase your efficiency. And at the same time, it boosts your bottom line. That's cool. And allows you to communicate with others so that you can hire assistants. I know, finding help is one of the biggest challenges that we have in our industry. And part of the problem is being able to communicate with each other with exact recipes, exact pricing, knowing what needs to be done. With this, again, it's all handled ahead of time. And you've got it planned so that when the day comes, you're just adding in beautiful flowers and creating gorgeous bouquets. The recipe, all planned out ahead of time. I used 5 Veronica, 3 spray mums, 5 Astrantia, 3 Nigelia, 5 Eryngium, and then I added in the seeded eucalyptus, and I worked on a base of Dusty Miller. Lobiloo allows you to create professional proposals, set yourself apart from your peers, and do it profitably. You'll find more creative inspiration on our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now it's your turn. Check out the software that's going to become your best friend, Lobiloo. Find out how it works for you, and be sure and let me know, because we all want to know what works best as you do something you love.